33 positive affirmations that school-going children can do. Sit back, relax, or if you are sleeping, just lie down and listen to it by putting your headphones on. Ready? I'm smart, capable, and ready to tackle any challenges that come my way. I believe in my abilities to learn and grow every single day. I'm grateful for the knowledge I gained today, and I'm excited for what tomorrow is going to bring. I'm focused and determined to do my best in everything I do. I am disciplined, I'm very focused in my life. I'm very confident in my skills and talents. I trust myself to handle any obstacles with grace and determination. I'm surrounded by love and support from my family and friends. I'm worthy of success and happiness. I am a unique individual with so much to offer to the world. I'm proud of myself for all the progress I have made. I'm open to new experiences and opportunities to learn. I feel calm, peaceful, and ready to rest my mind for a new day. I'm in control of my thoughts and emotions. I'm kind, compassionate, and treat others with respect. I'm grateful for the chance to learn and grow at school. I'm resilient and I can overcome any setbacks I face. I'm enough just as I am. I'm surrounded by positivity and light. I'm worthy of love and happiness. I am a problem solver and can find solutions to any challenges. I'm excited to see what new discoveries tomorrow will bring. I'm loved and appreciated for who I am. I love studying, and studying is easy for me. I'm able to remember whatever I study easily and effortlessly. I'm filled with confidence and positivity. I'm a valuable member of my school community and at home. I'm grateful for my teachers and parents, and they do all for let me succeed. I'm worthy of respect and kindness to others. I'm proud of myself for all the accomplishments, big and small. I'm at peace with my journey of success. I'm excited to dream big and pursue my passions. I'm ready to let go of any stress or worries from today and sleep peacefully. I know I'm amazing and I embrace who I am completely and fully.